Replacing brake rotors isn't a one-price-fits-all job, and delaying it can put your safety at risk. In this video, we'll cover what affects the cost, how often to replace rotors, and ways to save money on the job. Welcome to Auto Repair. If this helps you out, hit like and subscribe. Let's jump. Average cost breakdown. On average, replacing brake rotors on one axle will cost you between $150 and $500. Want to save money? You can choose more affordable rotors or do the work yourself, which can cut down costs significantly. Front brake rotors usually cost $50 to $100 more than rear rotors because they're larger and handle most of the stopping power. What affects brake rotor costs? Here are the top factors that impact the price of brake rotors. 1. Vehicle type. Smaller cars usually have cheaper rotors. Trucks, SUVs, and luxury vehicles need larger or specialized rotors, which cost more. 2. Front versus rear rotors. Front rotors are bigger and more expensive because they handle more braking force. Rear rotors are smaller and typically cheaper. 3. OEM versus aftermarket. OEM, original parts, cost more but guarantee fit and quality. Aftermarket parts vary. Some are budget-friendly, others high-performance. 4. Rotor material. Cast iron is affordable but wears faster. Premium materials like steel, aluminum, or carbon ceramic are more durable and costly. 5. Performance features. If you're into towing or racing or hitting dirt roads, get this rotor. But keep in mind it'll cost a little more. 6. Corrosion protection. Driving on a rainy day or in the snow. That will ruin the rusted rotor. So buy a zinc or coated rotor. It's more expensive, but the tension is lower. 7. DIY versus professional install. DIYing will save you money, but if there's a problem, you'll have to handle it yourself. If you go to a mechanic, you'll get expert help, but it might cost a little more. Replacement frequency. How often should brake rotors be replaced? Most vehicles need new rotors every 50,000 to 75,000 miles, but this depends on how and where you drive. Heavy towing or aggressive driving can wear them out faster. Always check your owner's manual or consult your local dealership for your specific car's maintenance schedule. Watch for warning signs like a vibration when braking, a squealing or grinding noises, a visible wear or grooves on the rotors. If this video helped you diagnose your car problems, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.